चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी।
And our top focus is the NEET scam investigation. Note that there is a 5 cities network which has a nexus which has surfaced in the entire investigation. This is the Jharkhand link which has also emerged. In fact, it's the Deoghar paper leak matter. We've accessed exclusive visuals of accused Chintu and Manish. Accused Chintu was arrested from Deoghar, Jharkhand. He is, note, one of those who received question papers and even got the printouts. Another individual identified as Manish is also one who assembled the students at the play school to mug up the answers. So these are middlemen who are involved, who are said to be involved in the NEET's investigation. It's also being said that one of the accused, Chintu, has confessed to leaking and supplying the NEET question paper to main accused Sanjeev Mukhya. So that's the Jharkhand link that has surfaced. Deoghar, to be precise, in connection to which names of 2 individuals have surfaced, Chintu and Manish. We'll just put out their visuals as well. But they played a pivotal role in getting those question papers out and handing it over to some of the aspirants of the NEET scam. It's said that accused Chintu was arrested, who has been arrested, is the one who received the question paper and got the printout. Another individual who's under the radar is identified as Manish. He is the one to have assembled the students at the school to give them the questions and the answers as well to the NEET question paper. Let's go across to Prakash. He's joining us live with those details. Prakash, that's a very strong Deoghar nexus, the link which has surfaced in the entire scam investigation. Take us through the details known so far about these 2 individuals who are said to be main accused.
Well, the entire paper leak originated from Hazaribagh district in Jharkhand. First, the entire question paper went to the SBI. Can you please fix the echo, please? The question paper first reached the SBI and then to different school centers. And thereafter, the name of Chintu and Manish started coming up, and Rocky also was involved in the process. The entire question paper were spread to different parts of the country through Rocky, and Rocky was in touch with Solver gang in Ranchi, and Rocky facilitated the sending of the question papers and answers through Chintu, and Chintu then supplied to various people, and Manish was the person who facilitated that the students, around 30 to 35 students, gather at the Learn Play School from where we had reported around 8-10 days back. And there the students mugged up and crammed the entire answer questions. First, they got the questions of physics, then chemistry and biology. So, according to the convenience, the students mugged up the entire question answers. Now, the police is in search of Manish as well, who facilitated the students gather at a particular play school. And Chintu has confessed to his crime. For this, Chintu used around 5 to different mobile SIM cards of different companies. And once he came to know that Sikandar Yadavendu has been arrested, he threw the entire SIM cards into the Ganga River. Now, Chintu has been arrested from Deoghar along with 5 others. He's been produced in the court and is in judicial custody as of now. And the CBI will, since this case has been handed over to the CBI will also demand for his custody for interrogation. Back to you.
Yes, Prakash, stay with us. Also, if you can once again explain to us as to how the accused from different cities colluded to ensure that the paper leak is given to some of the aspirants. Talk to us here about this network among all the accused from different cities to work in tandem to ensure that leaked paper reaches those aspirants?
Well, yes, it's a pan-India nexus that ensured the paper leak, and it can't, because it's a big gang and huge flow of money is involved into this. They cannot operate only in one state, so it's massive money, and money was changing hands to the tune of 32 to 40 lakhs per students. And we have the Godhra link, we have Ranchi link now established, Bihar link established, Haryana is there, and other states will also come to the fore as and when the central agency CBI will directly start investigating and putting all the pieces together of different states, the investigation done by different state agencies, and then the CBI will come to the conclusion. But as of now, the Bihar EOU, which has done a fantastic job so far, had made the Union HRD Ministry aware that it's a serious issue. The matter is of question leak, and thereafter the EOU sacked the NTA chief, and also several actions were taken and several actions are in the offing.